Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I'm so excited to have you here today. Today we're diving into a world of pure comfort food with ground beef pasta bakes. These dishes are perfect for any occasion. If you're anything like me, you understand the allure of a good pasta bake. It's warm, hearty, and incredibly satisfying. They're easy to make, feed a crowd, and always hit the spot. Let's get cooking and create some amazing pasta bakes together. Let's start with a cheesy bacon, beef, and cheese pasta bake. This dish is rich, creamy, and incredibly satisfying. First, cook 8 ounces of pasta until al dente. In a separate pan, cook 6 slices of diced bacon until crispy. Add 1 pound of ground beef and cook until brown. Stir in 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and a splash of milk. Season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Once the pasta is cooked, drain and combine with the beef and bacon mixture. Pour into a baking dish, top with more cheese, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Enjoy your cheesy bacon, beef, and cheese pasta bake. Dive into cheesy beefy bliss with cheesy beef and shells. Cook 12 ounces of jumbo pasta shells al dente. Brown 1 pound of ground beef with 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Stir in 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, 1 can of diced tomatoes and green chilies, and 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Stuff shells with the mixture. Arrange in a baking dish, top with more cheese, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Enjoy the cheesy goodness. Experience Italy with beef and spinach lasagna. Brown 1 pound of ground beef with 1 chopped onion and 3 cloves of minced garlic. Add 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 1 can of diced tomatoes, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of basil. Simmer while preparing ricotta filling. Combine 2 cups of ricotta, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of grated parmesan, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, and a pinch of nutmeg. Wilt 2 cups of spinach with 2 cloves of garlic. Cook 12 lasagna noodles al dente. Layer meat sauce, noodles, ricotta, spinach, and 2 cups of shredded mozzarella in a baking dish. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes covered, then 15 minutes uncovered. Let it rest before serving. Worth the wait. Enjoy a fiesta with taco pasta bake, a delightful fusion of flavors that brings the party to your plate. Combine 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon cayenne for a homemade taco seasoning blend. Cook 8 ounces of pasta until it's al dente, ensuring it has a slight bite. Brown 1 pound of ground beef in a skillet until it's no longer pink. Add the taco seasoning, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of green chilies, 1 can of black beans, and 1 cup of corn. Let it simmer to blend the flavors. In a separate bowl, mix together 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese to create a creamy, tangy topping. Combine the cooked pasta with the beef mixture, then spread it evenly in a baking dish. Top it generously with the cheese mixture. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly, creating a golden, delicious crust. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld together. Enjoy your taco pasta bake. Try beef and mushroom stroganoff bake. Cook 12 ounces of egg noodles al dente. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Cook 8 ounces of mushrooms until golden. Add 1 chopped onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, and 1 pound of ground beef. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of flour, then whisk in 2 cups of beef broth and 1 cup of heavy cream. Add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. Combine with noodles. Pour into a baking dish, top with 1 cup of mozzarella, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Enjoy the creamy, dreamy goodness, perfect for the whole family. There you have it, folks. 5 delicious ground beef pasta bakes. From cheesy beef and bacon pasta bake to taco pasta, there's something for everyone. These recipes are all about comfort and indulgence, perfect for weeknight dinners, potlucks, or cozy nights in. They're easy to make, so even beginners can nail these recipes. Try them out and let me know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.